We're at the top of the River Elbe, but we're not on a river cruise, we're on the Queen Victoria. We're off to find the shuttle bus and visit Hamburg. Although your cruise card works in just about any country in the world, here in the European community, you need your passport. The shuttle bus will drop you off just by the town hall. The town hall is a magnificent building in the neo-Renaissance style with a 160-foot clock tower. When the Senate and State Parliament are not in session, guided tours in English are available. Just wandering around Hamburg, you see some amazing architecture. The Lion Door Knocker dates from 1342 and is the oldest piece of art in the city. St. Peter's Church is simple but quite beautiful, especially the Gothic pulpit. We're going to walk down this road from St. Peter's Church to find the miniature railway and the old warehouses. If you're someone who likes to explore using the local city bikes, they're easy to find. The Speicherstadt warehouses are the world's oldest warehouse complex. The red brick buildings were built at the turn of the 19th century. Everything's within easy walking distance. The town hall's to the left, the Maritime Museum is to the right, and we're going to find the miniature railway. Hamburg's Dungeon and Miniatur Wunderland is Hamburg's biggest eccentric surprise. Book online if you want to avoid the lengthy queues. Next to Hamburg Dungeon is the miniature railway, but you must book online. There's a 3-hour wait for the railway and a 90-minute wait for the dungeon. You can see them on a separate film on Doris Visits. One of the city's must-sees is St. Michael's Church. This Baroque-style church can seat 2,500 people and is the city's most prominent landmark. It's quite theatrical with its upper stalls, curving balcony, and you can see choral concerts here. For those of you who remember CNA, it's still predominant in Germany. Remember, we saw it on our trip to Kiel. The shuttle bus passes the station on the way to the town hall. It's about 6 blocks back after you stop. As you can often get a 2-day cruise back from Hamburg to Southampton, this station may be of interest to you. So the world is your oyster. Just think, you could get a ski trip to Austria, come to Hamburg, put the skis on the ship and sail home. Just in case you need them, there are left luggage lockers at the station here in Hamburg. Next to the station is the Museum of Fine Arts, which has a Thomas Gainsborough exhibition on at the moment. Thomas Gainsborough painted Mary Robinson, and Mary Robinson is a study of mine. She's part of the one-woman show I do sometimes on board ship. So we're on Hamburg's famous Museum Mile, and this is the start of it, just by the station, the Museum of Fine Arts. There are 5 major galleries as you walk down the mile. Hamburg is a mixture of traditional and very modern architecture.